Welcome to example program. In this video we will see how we can write a simple Python program to swap two numbers using a third variable. You can swap the two numbers by using different techniques, and using a third variable is one of that. So how we can swap two numbers by using a third variable? Now let's assume that we have two variables, num1 and num2, and we have stored the value 10 in this variable num1, and we have stored the value 20 in this variable num2. Now here, as I said before, we will be using a third variable, and I'm gonna call that variable as temp. You guys can give any name for this one. Now, in order to swap the numbers stored in these two variables, first what we do is we will store the value of either num1 or num2 in this temp variable. Now, I'm gonna store the value of this num1 in this temp variable. So the temp variable now will contain 10. Now, the next step that you do here will depend on whether you have saved num1 variable's value or num2 variable's value in this temp variable. Here we have stored num1 variable's value. So the next thing that we do is we will store num2 variable's value in num1. So num2 variable is containing 20, and that will be stored in this num1 now. Previously num1 was containing 10, but now it is containing 20, and the previous value of num1, which was 10, is now present in this temp variable. Now if you look at this, then num1 has num2 variable's value. Now we need to store num1 variable's previous value in this num2 variable. So we can do that by storing temp variable's value in this num2 variable. So now if you look at this, then num1 is containing 20, num2 is containing 10, and we look at the previous values of this num1 and num2, then we can say that we have swapped the numbers stored in these two variables. Now let's see how we can write a Python program to do this. So here in this program, we will ask the user to enter two numbers. We will store them in two different variables, and then we will swap those two values, and then we will display that result. Okay, I'm gonna create my first variable as num1, and I'm gonna ask the user to enter a number by using the input function, and it will be enter the number for num1. Here this input function will return the number entered by the user in string form. In this program we will work with numbers, so let's convert the number in string form to integer form by using int. Okay, now we have read one number from the user and we have stored that in this num1 variable. Now let's do the same thing for num2 variable. So I'm gonna copy that statement, I'm gonna paste it in here, and I'm gonna change this message to num2, and here I'm gonna change this one to num2, and let me quickly format this. Okay, now we have two numbers entered by the user, and we have stored them in two different variables. Now the next thing that we do is we will print out the values in this num1 and num2. So we will do that by using print function, and here I'm gonna say before swapping num1 equal to, and then I'm gonna put a placeholder here, and I'm gonna say and num2 equal to, and then I'm gonna place a placeholder here, and then we will format the string by using format function, and here we need to provide the values for these two placeholders, and these values are stored in this num1 and num2 variables. Okay, now the next thing that we do is we will swap the values of these two variables, and for that purpose, as I said before, we will be using the temp variable. So the first thing that we do is we will store the num1 variable's value in this temp variable. So it will be temp equal to num1, and then we need to store num2 variable's value in num1 variable. So it will be num1 equal to num2, and then we need to store the temp variable's value in num2 variable. So it will be num2 equal to temp. Okay, now we have swapped the numbers of this num1 and num2. Let's print out those values after swapping. So I'm gonna copy this print statement again, and here I'm gonna change this one to after swapping. Okay, now we have written the program. Let's run this module. Now it says enter the number for num1. I'm going to enter 26. Enter the number for num2. I'm going to enter 87. It says before swapping, num1 is 26 and num2 is 87, just like the way that we have entered here. And it says after swapping, num1 is 87 and num2 is 26. So our program has worked properly, and this is how you guys can swap two numbers by using a temporary variable. In Python, you can do this very simply without using a temporary variable, and I'm going to make a tutorial on that, and I'm going to put the link in the description box. You guys can check that out. Now, if you like this video, then hit the like button. If you don't like it, then hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later in the next video.